Welcome back to Mparadisso Media Tech, the place where you get powerful tech tips and tricks that make your digital life easier. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Facebook page name step by step. Don't skip a second, because every detail matters. And before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of our future updates. First, log into your Facebook account. Tap the menu icon with 3 lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Pages. Now you'll see a list of your pages. Choose the page you want to rename, then tap Switch Now. Show the old page name here, e.g., The Networking. As you can see, my page was originally called The Networking, but now we're going to change it. Go to Settings. Tap the menu icon again. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility. From there, select Page Setup. On the Page Setup screen, look for the option labeled Name and tap it. Change the name. Here, you'll see your current page name. Simply delete it and type in your new name. For example, Mparadisso Media Tech. If you'd like to add a nickname, you can use the Other Names section. If not, skip this and tap Review Changes. Facebook will now show you the old name versus the new one. To confirm, you'll need to enter your Facebook password. Type it in, then tap Save Changes. After the change, go back to your page. At first, you might still see the old name. Don't panic. Just refresh the page. Once refreshed, your new name will appear. In my case, the page name has now officially changed from The Networking to Mparadisso Media Tech. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook page name. Super simple, right? Just remember, always choose a name that truly matches your brand or purpose, because Facebook may reject irrelevant changes. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know if you managed to update your page name. Also, don't forget to follow my new page, Mparadisso Media Tech, because I share exclusive tips there that you won't find on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.